establishing the GSL now, one more thing I'd like to say is that because there are 11 delegates in the committee, so that saves us a lot of time. So we'll have POIs for every delegate. Okay, that can be either from our side अगर किसी ने नहीं पूछा तो, and it can be from your side. Because I took the presentation for few of you, the first timers. I told you that points of information fetch you marks. So try asking people questions, or if you want, we will. Yes, delegate of South Korea.
With the prior permission of the executive board, either delegate of South Korea would like to submit the
Sorry, we cannot hear you. Just keep your mic a little closer.
Establish the general speaker list in the committee.
Yeah, that has
Was
been
the floor
established.
open for motions?
That's been established. So all the people willing to speak in the GSL may raise your hand now. Delegate of UAE. Just write it down. Just a second. UAE. Delegate of Canada. Delegate of Germany 1. Delegate of Spain. Delegate of Israel. Delegate of Italy. Delegate of UAE. The UAE has been done. UAE is done. Germany 2. That's all for right now. ठीक है. So एक और चीज, because the committee is on low strength, so we'll try to have at least 3 mod caucuses, and we'll establish the first one after 4 speakers of the GSL, because GSL never gets exhausted. So we'll start the speeches now. So delegate of UAE, you may have the floor for 90 seconds.
The corona pandemic has shaken the world, disrupting economies and families in an unprecedented manner. This is the biggest challenge that humankind has faced in modern times. The pandemic has proved that the world is intertwined more closely than we imagined. Yet, it also has exposed vulnerabilities of many nations with limited resources to deal with the medical and economical challenge thrown at the virus. UAE has always been in the forefront of this challenge. We shall help the countries which are more vulnerable to this virus and the impact of nations. My government has supplied about 260 tons of relief aid to more than 24 countries. At the height of the infection, we supplied Italy with badly needed ventilators and other medical supplies. We are geared up to play our role in helping other countries in need with assistance.
POIs. No POIs? Yeah, Spain. One second. Any other POIs? Anyone is willing to ask a question? Anybody else? No question? Okay. Spain? Yeah, for the POIs.
Of Germany, I have a question for you. What are the policies that are being implemented in your country for the COVID-19?
Okay, so as you asked that what are the policies, look, Germany is taking a different policy to maintain their economic growth and maintain the cases that are increasing or decreasing day by day. So in the policies they are taking that there are more ICU, there are many ICU beds and many hospitals to handle coronavirus patients. And if we talk about the economic growth in this pandemic, I would like to say that it has a great stability in trading with other countries, because as the trade most things of fibers and many more things are getting traded, so economic are stable. And as I talked about ICU beds, it's all good, and then hospitals and all the coronavirus patients are handled well with all daily checkup to all citizens of Germany. Every delegate in this block can give any ideas for the moderated caucus, then we can do a voting on that.
Alright, so first I would like to say about the economic circumstances and everything. So it's one of the most important
Delegate
consequences
of
of this.
USA agrees with delegate of Germany too. Economy is one of the most important aspects of a sovereign state.
Yeah.
And we should discuss it at first, please.
Oh, so if I take a motion like this, what are the consequences of pandemic in the global economy?
Yeah, that would be amazing.
Okay.
Exactly.
So
Economic
delegates who agree with this can raise their hands. So after the moderated caucus, we are going to have next GSN. Then we would have another moderated caucus. So we should discuss the topic of the second moderated caucus if you all like.
All
Because
right.
we have only one day and we have to complete about 3 to 4 moderated caucus in order to get a fruitful session.
So I would like to discuss about the global security. Like, because our heads are turned towards the pandemic, we are not focusing on terrorist attacks and things like that. That's a very important thing. Like, we cannot jeopardize our whole security and like the global peace UN is all about. We are just jeopardizing that by only focusing on the pandemic. We have to look towards that also. So would you like to?
I would like to comment on what is said by delegate of Germany too. It's that currently we are affected by the pandemic, and it would be very important and it would be crucial for us if we focus on the consequences. Afterwards, we can like put light on these topics like terrorism happens.
Yeah, but this is a very big consequence. This is actually a very big consequence. It's like basically our attention is diverted towards the pandemic, and what if some terrorist attacks happen at this time, because we cannot handle that. Our resources are diverted towards
I think
medication.
stability of economy is more important.
Yeah, I am talking about the second mod caucus, second or third maybe, a little bit after. Is anybody interested in discussing about mental health and COVID?
No.
No.
I support it.
It is an interesting topic to discuss. Like, we should not only focus on the general stuff. We have to go into
Yes,
the
because,
nitty-gritty as well.
I agree.
Because according to doctors, mental health is the most it is being affected a lot during this pandemic because
Yeah.
we are in lockdown. So it's really very important topic to be discussed. So I
Because
support
even
this.
if the
It's-
three
I
pillars are
even
safe,
support
the
this
global
because
security.
even I support, like according to one of the scientific researchers undergoing this under this pandemic, it has been proven that sleep quality has worsened during this.
yeah, that's
And-
why we are saying that we should support
Delegates,
this.
Our mental health.
delegates, can you tell me the moderated caucuses which you have discussed? Because I was
Alright,
not
so
there.
first one would be on economy, second one could be on aviation or global security or even socio-economic effects.
I think the second one should be
Delegate.
on education.
Delegate,
Yeah, sure,
delegate,
I would
what
support that as well. No problem.
delegate,
The second
Yes,
could be
ma'am.
of the global solution also.
delegate,
Also major.
delegate of Spain. Spain. I just want to say that you are saying global solution. We can discuss in the draft the solution because all the delegates would give a
Yeah.
solution on that.
Right now
So,
we have to discuss on the issues.
Yeah, issues. So in
I
in
agree
order
with
to
the
solve
delegate of Germany.
Okay. So in order to solve these moderated caucus, can you tell me the third moderated caucus? which you
Third
have
one
discussed?
could be on mental health.
Yes.
Mental health.
Mental health. Okay, let me. Okay, then I agree with it.
Can the fourth, if it's gonna be some fourth moderated caucus, can it be focused on the climate?
Yeah,
Climate
I agree.
change.
I support.
Like
climate
basically
change.
how coronavirus and this lockdown has brought a change
Yeah.
in our environment.
Delegate, I clearly agree with you because you are saying that if we talk about climate change, as for example, if we take India, we just had that cyclone in Mumbai and cyclone in West Bengal also in this COVID-19 lockdown. That could be a perfect topic in order to solve the issue of climate change in this COVID-19 pandemic.
I would like to interrupt. We are not focusing on specific cyclonic areas or specific.
No, I'm
No,
just
no,
giving
the
an
delegate of
example.
Germany one is just giving an example.
Example, it was an example.
Yeah, sure.
Spain's economy is like to crash by between 6.6% and 13.6% in 2020 as a result of the deadly coronavirus pandemic. The impact of the markets, and in particular on the Spanish stock market, with a 14% fall in a single day, is unprecedented in its recent history. Spain must act early and decisively to flatten the contagion curve. The evaluation of infections is following the same curve as Italy, but 9 or 10 days behind. Evidence from other countries shows that early containment measures, such as those implemented in South Korea, are very effective in limiting contagion. Thank you.
Okay. So, delegate, you have 20 seconds left. If anybody wanting to ask questions from the delegate of Spain, may raise your hand now. One. And anybody else? Just a second, Germany one. Anybody else? Korea. Okay, South Korea. So we'll have Germany one and we'll have South Korea. So Germany one, ask your question. Yeah.
Chairperson, I just want a point of parliamentary procedure.
Yeah, point of parliamentary inquiry. Yes.
Yeah. In this point of parliamentary inquiry, I just want to ask that can we yield our time in GSNs?
You can to other delegate or to the chairperson.
All that we yield to questions,
yield
to chairperson.
Yeah, you can do that, but I just want to say that it will be better you will yield your time to point of information. Because delegates are quite less here, so it will work. So yeah, delegate of South Korea, we are having a second, and delegate of Canada.
I also have a parliamentary inquiry.
Parliamentary inquiry, yes, ma'am.
The delegate of South to ask that Spain is a developed country, but
delegate of South Korea, please wait. Delegate of Canada has a parliamentary.
Yeah, delegate of South Korea, just a second. Yes, delegate of Canada, you were asking.
So I have to send the text in the main WhatsApp group, or is there another?
No, on the main WhatsApp group only. It's on the main WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Yes, delegate of South Korea, you can speak now. Delegate of South Korea.
Yeah, Spain is a developed country, but it is also failed to protect its citizens from this pandemic. Why?
As everybody knows that COVID-19 is very it was the very hardest pandemic, and Spain is also the one of the hardest hit countries. So I think I would say Spain is not the most developed countries, but I would say could I answer this question later?
Yeah, please do. Just answer this question. Yeah, so do we have any motions on the floor?
The delegate of UAE would like to.
Yeah, just raise your hand. We'll recognize. We'll have UAE and we'll have Germany. No, we'll not have Germany. We'll have UAE and we'll have Canada. UAE, what is your motion?
Yeah, I would like to talk about the economy of UAE.
Say it in a proper format.
Yes.
Everything. Mention everything. The topic, the time, and each speaker's time. Mention everything.
Yeah. I will only take 30 minutes. This motion.
30 minutes for the motion?
30 seconds. Sorry.
30 seconds for each speaker?
Yeah.
30 seconds for each speaker, and
total time being?
And total time 5 minutes.
5 minutes. And the topic being?
Economy.
That's economic impact. Okay. Delegate of Canada, we can have your motion now.
Delegate of Canada would like to raise a motion on the topic economy. The total time being 10 minutes and for speaker time being 60 seconds.
Economic impact, 10 minutes and 60 seconds.
All those in favor of UAE's
Motion.
Please raise your hands now.
5 minutes. 5 minutes for all. 30 seconds each speaker time. We have 3.
Right.
We have 3. Yeah, 3 fluctuating 3.
Possibly वही हो जाओ.
So ठीक है, we'll take it as 3. If anybody in the motion of anybody in the favor
Who's
of
in favor of
motion raised by Canada.
Canada?
Yeah, it passes. 5. अभी 5 ही है. Oh no.
You have to vote delegates. You can't sit out. Either vote for UAE or you either vote for Canada.
Yeah. The motion clearly passes. So we have the topic economic impact, total time 10 minutes, each speaker time 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
1 minute, 1 minute, 60 seconds. And I guess we can accommodate everybody in the mod if you want to.
Who's in favor of all speakers? Like
All the people who are willing to speak in the moderated caucus.